Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. If you want to make money online from writing articles, even if you don't have any website, so kindly follow me in this video and these upcoming tips. The first one, you have to prepare your articles. Either you can write them yourself if you are an expert in your field, or you can get help from AI tools or artificial intelligence tools, and of course there are a lot of them like Jasper.ai, copy.ai, writer.me, writesonic.com, or this amazing website shopia.ai. And this amazing website enables you to write over 4,000 word articles just with one click. And of course this article would be search engine optimized, and you can use that for free. And of course I have talked about this amazing website in a previous video from this video below in the description box. Or you can rewrite any article, and the best rewriter tools is spinrewriter.com, and of course you can use that for free. It gives you a free trial about 5 days. Or you can find an amazing tool in writesonic.com that enables you to rewrite any article just with one click. As you see here, article rewrite. So the first step here in this video, you have to prepare your articles. The second step, you have to feed up your articles with questions people also ask for about your topic that you are talking about in your article. And Google loves articles that have answers of questions people also ask for on Google. So you have to make your article comprehensive with all sides of your topic. So how to get these questions people also ask for about a given topic? Simply you can get them from Google directly, or you can get help from some external tools like suggest.com from Neil Patel. This amazing tool gives you some questions people also ask for about your topic. So just you can insert your topic, okay, and select your country and your language. So this example, fitness for pregnancy. Therefore you can find these statistics, and you can go down a little bit, and here to this section you can find these suggestions, and we can go to questions people also ask for about fitness for pregnancy. Therefore you can find some questions like what exercise is good for pregnancy, how much exercise during pregnancy, how much exercise while pregnant, and so on and so forth. So you can feed up your articles with these questions people also ask for about your topic. Or this amazing website that is answerthepublic.com, and this wonderful website gives you a bunch of questions around a specific topic. So simply you can insert here your topic, like this one for example, fitness for pregnant, and you can select your country and your language, and just you can click over this button, search, and just a few seconds it gives you a collection of questions people also ask for around fitness for pregnant, with all question marks like what, where, how, when, and so on and so forth, that you can use some of them on your articles. As here, all question marks like who, when, where, how, are, well, why, like why exercise is good for pregnancy, why pregnant fitness, why does peeing fit help with pregnancy, and so on and so forth. So you can pick some of these beautiful questions to feed up your articles. These questions people also ask for on Google about your topic. They are related to your topic, okay? Perfect. Or you can get help from this amazing website as well, which is so called questiondp.io. questiondp.io. It's similar to the previous one, just here you can insert your topic, like the same one, Ctrl V, fitness for pregnant, and just click over generate button, and it gives you a bunch of questions you can insert in your articles to make your articles comprehensive with your topic, that covers all insights of your topic. As you see, like what are the best fitness classes for pregnant women, why are physical fitness programs good for pregnant women, and so on and so forth. So you can pick some of these beautiful questions to include in your articles. Or this amazing website as well, that is topicmojo.com. topicmojo.com. It's a fantastic website that enables you to have a good research of topics like questions, outlines, some related topics that you can use to make your articles and your YouTube videos. And of course I have talked about this amazing website in details in a video to get a huge amount of ideas to create your YouTube videos. You'll find this video below in the description box. And that's for getting questions regarding your topic to answer in your articles. Just sign up here for free, and we can direct it to your dashboard of your account on topicmojo.com, and here you can find some amazing features like topic model, questions finder, okay, search listener, and so on and so forth. So regarding our today's topic, to make your article more comprehensive, so you can click over this questions, and here you can insert your topic or your query like this one. After selecting your country and your languages, it prepares your report. As you see, our report is ready, so click over that. It gives you a bunch of keywords and their resources, like what are the fitness steps to be considered during pregnancy, what is the benefit of fitness to pregnant women, and so on. And therefore, in this step, you have to include in your articles questions people also ask for as headings and subheadings. And now let's move on to the third step in this video, which is about optimizing your articles to Google searches. And of course, there are external websites to optimize your articles like phrase.io, Surfer SEO, or this amazing website which is so-called neuronwriter.com. According to a score, you can optimize your articles, and this amazing website gives you all keywords that you have to include in your headings and subheadings. As you see in this Neuron Writer, your score would be like that, and then you can find terms in headers, keywords you have to include in your headings and subheadings, and likewise in the body of your articles. As you see, the most related keywords you have to include in your article that help your article rank higher on Google search results, as you see. And heads up, there is an unmissable offer from appsomo.com regarding neuronwriter.com. As you see, it's a lifetime deal, and this offer ends in 15 days, and you can just grab this offer just for $69. Lifetime deal, okay? And of course, I will leave this link below in the description box. So after optimizing your articles to Google search results, we can move on to the fourth step in this video, which is about you have to monetize your articles by adding some affiliate links. You can digital products and so on and so forth. You can join any affiliate programs in any field, in any niche. Just you can search in Google the niche and affiliate programs, and you can search for a lot of programs that you can include in your articles to monetize your article. And now let's move on to the last step in this video, which is where we can publish our articles. And I said before, if you don't have any website, the best way you can publish your articles in some websites that have high domain authority, that rank higher on Google search. Therefore, you can take advantage of this domain authority and publish your search engine optimized articles. And the best websites regarding this topic is Quora.com. And of course, I don't mean that you can publish your articles as answers to some questions, because they contain affiliate links, and is against the guidelines of Quora.com. So you have to create a microblog or Quora space. So you can click over this people icon. Therefore, you can create a new space or a new microblog where you can publish your search engine optimized articles that include your affiliate links. And of course, your article with some questions people also ask for, you can make your article more valuable and more comprehensive and search engine optimized according to scores that you have made on neuronwriter.com or similar websites. And you can use the domain authority of Quora.com. So if anyone asks a question that you have included in your article, you will find your article in Quora space go higher on Google search. So the first website is Quora space, and the second one, of course, is medium.com. So you can publish your valuable articles here on medium.com for free. And of course, medium.com enjoys a higher domain authority on Google, and Google loves Medium articles. Thus, that way you can earn money from writing articles by these steps. You have to make your articles and include questions that people also ask for as headings and subheadings, and make your articles search engine optimized by neuronwriter.com. Therefore, you can publish your articles on Quora space and your Medium account. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.